NYBQ Wood Repair Kit. What you get inside the box may help repair some of this, but not all. If I had a scratch on the floor or on a piece of furniture, this is what we're going to do. As we open up the kit, you have a 28 color mixing guide, easy solution for furniture repair. I know this is chestnut, so I'm going to have to go find chestnut. These are some of the colors, just some. These are markers, just some. Brushes, a little spatula, a foam, some inserts over here, wood filler, beeswax care, and a small pad of sandpaper sponge. This is walnut. It's a little darker than the chestnut walnut and can come quite as close to the cherry color. We have oak, and oak is pretty near the same color. We have a color here that you're going to snip off the top. Inside is already open, and we're going to match this color for color. I have what looks like the right color that I can come over here and paint. With the right room temperature, you want to let this dry just to show you that it's still tacky. It will come off, but once this dries, you can put a little coat of wax on it, and it may look a little bit better than before. A little bit of warm water. You could rinse off the brush and use it for another day. This is the mahogany pen. I have a little damage here. You press in and it starts to color. This is mahogany. As you can see, it does work. And it will cover up the damages. NYBQ, great for just about anything that you need to do some repairs on doors, floors, windows, moldings, wherever you need to have a color of wood repaired in this kit. I hope this kit is something that you're looking for repairing your scratches, nicks, and waxing things up. Enjoy your product.